Welcome. In front of me I have the NOKIA G11, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this device. Now I will be using just a little bit of a different glass for this. As you can see, it's for a different device, though it is close enough for me. I don't have a specific one for this device. I have a basically box of like 100 different tempered glasses, but this one is I guess closest one to what I want, so there we go. That's what I'm going to be using. Obviously, if you have one dedicated for your device, which you most likely do, it might look a little bit different. It will have a cutout for the camera. I don't have it, but like I said, it doesn't really matter for me. So to get started, in the box right here you will find the dry and wet wipes, so you can utilize those, or grab this, you can also utilize a microfiber cloth if you prefer that. Now I personally do prefer a microfiber cloth just because it's way bigger, and most of the time the wet wipes are already dried out, so they're basically useless. Now I'm actually gonna check out if the wet one is wet, just out of complete curiosity, and this one actually is, so you can see that it is wet, but like I said, sometimes they happen to be just completely dried out. Anyway, like I said, I'm still gonna be using a microfiber cloth. I just prefer it, and it's much easier. The wet wipe does create like smudges, and just because the size of this is absolutely pitiful, as you can see, I rather just grab something much bigger and have an easier time with it. So to get started, you will want to wipe off any kind of smudges that you have on your screen, and also get rid of any kind of dust that might settle on it, along with obviously if you have some like bigger dirt buildup for some reason, you will want to get rid of it as well. Now this device is absolutely brand spanking new. It does have, in my case, still that protective layer, which I'll keep. And for some reason, that protective layer already has some like micro scratches. You can see one right here and right here. Here, for some reason, I literally just unboxed this thing like 20 minutes ago. Anyway, so now that the screen is ready for application, I'm gonna keep the microfiber cloth close, because what I will do, and I also that's the method that works for me, is I'm gonna peel this off, give it a gentle pass or two to get rid of any kind of dust that might have settled on the screen, and then apply the screen. Now the way I apply the screen, in my case, and I guess in yours it will work too, if you have that cutout for the camera, I'll recommend you to align it evenly with the edge right here at the top, and make sure that the cutout for the camera is basically smack in the middle, and then pinching the tempered glass from the side while it's lift up on the other end, just so it doesn't glue itself. You'll pinch it to keep it steady so it doesn't like go too much to left or right of the display. You'll basically press it down. Once it's basically pinched to the middle of it, you'll just then drop it. Now this was a drastic drop. I'll just kind of like place it gently, also guiding it in the middle, and this will ensure that your tempered glass is placed evenly around the edges. So that is how I apply my tempered glass. Okay. So one additional thing, for me, I only have one side to peel. Sometimes there are two. If you have two, you want to start off with the first one, which will reveal the sticky side of the tempered glass. So the second one you will peel off once it's already applied to your display. So anyway, let's get going, and I'll peel that off. I'm gonna hold it. And let's apply it. So there we go. It's now fully applied to the display. Quick and easy. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.